Welcome back to my channel School Study. Today we will learn how to make angles using protractor. This is protractor and we are going to make angles whose measures are 145 degree. So how can we make an angle with a measure of 145 degree? So first we have to make a straight line. Okay. And we will mark dots, and then like in the previous video in which we were measuring the angles, in this we are making one. So this dot will be on this one, you can see that, and this line is absolutely on 0 and 180 line. See, this is perfect. Now it's perfect. Where is 145? If our line is on this side, so we will use this side 0. 145, 140 and 50. So this big one is 145. We will put dot and then we will connect both the dots. So let us measure again. See, accurate angle 145 degree. Okay. Now let us make an angle of 85 degree. First we have to make a straight line. Okay. Then we will put small line for dot for our convenience. That's it. 80, 0 on this side, 80 and 90, so 85 is this one. Okay, now 70 degree. Let's do this one, this angle from left hand side. We'll take this as 0 now. Zero, if 0 is on this side, then we will use 70 of upward side. See, let's check this out. Okay. Now the last question is 20 degree. Because 0 is on right side, 0 is on the lower side, so 20 will also be on the lower side. We will use 20 from this lower side and then straight line. So this angle will be of 20 degree. Let's check this out. See. Okay. I hope you understood the concept of how to make an angles using a protractor. Practice yourself by measuring angles given in the description box. That's all for today. Thank you.